Hi my lovely people. So I'm here with a very quick 2-minute video to make 2 very important announcements. So I applied to be a part of Sephora's squad for 2022 and become a brand ambassador. And I can't do it without you all. I need your help. I need you all to submit testimonials for me, telling Sephora why you all love my videos, why you keep coming back, and why Sephora should accept me to the Sephora squad. So I will link that down in the description box. I'll put the link to submit the testimonial down in the description box. Just please go into the description box and click that link. That'll be the only link down there. Just click on it and just say in a few sentences why you like my videos and why I should be a Sephora squad member. I need hundreds to be accepted, so I need each and every one of your support. So I would very much appreciate it if you watch my videos and you love watching my channel. Please help me out, support me, and just click that link and just briefly tell Sephora why you like my videos. So the second announcement is that I have decided to combine back my brand new beauty and makeup channel, Cleo Beauty. I'm gonna combine it back with this channel, Salon Cleo. You all know that I started a brand new channel for just makeup and beauty content, just because most of you come here for fragrance content. But you know what? You all told me that you watch my other content as well, that you want to see beauty content, makeup content from me all in one place, and that it's hard to keep up with 2 channels. So I listened to you and I'm dissolving that other channel, Cleo Beauty, which is brand spanking new. I just started it as kind of like a test. And you know, I tested it and I figured out, well, people prefer for me to have the one channel. So my beauty and makeup content as usual will go up on Tuesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you get 3 videos on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So I just wanted to share with you these 2 very important announcements. Thank you in advance for submitting a testimonial for me. I very much appreciate it. Love you all. I will see you in my next video.